So we're gonna do an unboxing from ECS Tuning. This is what I got in the mail. This is the one stock shift leveler. This is a shift leveler for M3s. This is a one stick piece. Insert shifter covering. This is a man filter, so when your man has attitude, you just put this in and it'll change it real quick. Oh yeah, you know where to put this, guys. Let's see, what else do we have in here? This box. We have the cool M3 pedal shifter. Can you see it? Look how nice. And next we have these transmission mount bushing kit, black isolated. So when you feel lonely, you just go to these isolators. One last thing, this is called the red blood kit. It has lots of just, you know, this stuff in it, and extra bolts for I don't know what, and this M logo for M3 BMWs, and this little ring. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.